Smartsheet has carved a significant niche in the project management landscape, often lauded for its familiar spreadsheet interface combined with powerful collaboration and automation features. For many, it represents a natural evolution from basic spreadsheets, offering a seemingly intuitive way to organize tasks, track progress, and manage teams. However, like any tool, Smartsheet isn't a silver bullet. As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how its perceived strengths can sometimes mask underlying limitations and potential drawbacks. While Smartsheet can be a valuable asset, especially for certain types of projects and teams, it's crucial to have a balanced understanding of its disadvantages. Overlooking these can lead to inefficiencies, frustration, and ultimately hinder project success. This video will delve into the less discussed aspects of Smartsheet, providing a comprehensive overview of its potential shortcomings. We'll break down these disadvantages in simple terms, making them easily understandable for anyone, whether you're a seasoned project manager, a student learning the ropes, or someone evaluating tools for their team. Here are some key disadvantages to consider before fully embracing Smartsheet for your project management needs. 1. The spreadsheet paradigm, a double-edged sword. Smartsheet's core strength, its spreadsheet-like interface, can also be a significant limitation. While the familiarity reduces the learning curve for many, it inherently carries the constraints of a tabular data structure. Limited complexity handling. For highly intricate projects with numerous interdependencies, complex workflows, and nonlinear processes, the rigid row and column format can become cumbersome. Visualizing and managing these intricate relationships can be challenging compared to dedicated project management software with features like Gantt charts, network diagrams, and dependency mapping that offer a more intuitive graphical representation. Potential for data siloing. While Smartsheet facilitates collaboration, the fundamental structure encourages working within individual sheets. Managing interconnected data across multiple sheets can become complex, increasing the risk of inconsistencies and requiring manual effort to maintain a holistic project view. This can hinder cross-functional collaboration and integrated reporting. Lack of native advanced project management methodologies. While you can adapt Smartsheet to fit various methodologies like Agile or Waterfall, it doesn't inherently support them with dedicated features and workflows. Implementing these methodologies often requires significant customization and workarounds, potentially leading to inefficiencies and a less than optimal experience compared to tools built specifically for those approaches. 2. Cost considerations. Scaling can get expensive. Smartsheet operates on a subscription-based model, which can become a significant expense as your team size and project complexity grow. Per-user licensing. The per-user pricing structure means that adding more team members directly increases your costs. For larger organizations or projects with numerous stakeholders needing access, even view-only access, this can become prohibitively expensive compared to tools with more flexible or volume-based pricing models. Tiered features and add-ons. Access to more advanced features, such as resource management, portfolio management, and advanced automation, often requires upgrading to higher-tier plans or purchasing add-ons. This can lead to a situation where you're constantly evaluating whether the added cost justifies the necessary functionality. Hidden costs of customization. While Smartsheet offers flexibility, extensive customization through integrations and third-party apps can incur additional costs, both in terms of subscription fees for those external tools and the time and effort required for setup and maintenance. 3. Reporting and analytics. Limitations in native capabilities. While Smartsheet offers reporting features, its native capabilities can fall short for complex analytical needs and high-level portfolio reporting. Limited visualization options. While you can create charts and graphs, the range of native visualization options is less extensive compared to dedicated business intelligence or project portfolio management tools. Creating sophisticated dashboards and gaining deep insights from aggregated data across multiple projects can be challenging. Complexity in cross-sheet reporting. Generating consolidated reports and dashboards that pull data from multiple interconnected sheets can be intricate and require specific formulas and configurations. This can be time-consuming and prone to errors, especially for users who aren't advanced Smartsheet users. Lack of advanced analytics features. Smartsheet lacks built-in features for advanced analytics, such as predictive analysis, trend forecasting, and earned value management, EVM, calculations. Integrating with external tools might be necessary for these functionalities, adding complexity and cost. 4. Resource management, not its core strength. While Smartsheet offers resource management features, it's not as robust or intuitive as dedicated resource management software. Basic allocation and tracking. Smartsheet primarily focuses on task assignment and tracking of effort. It lacks the sophisticated features found in dedicated resource management tools, such as skills-based allocation, capacity planning, conflict resolution, and detailed utilization reporting across multiple projects. Limited visibility into overall resource availability. Gaining a comprehensive view of resource availability across all projects can be challenging. Identifying potential bottlenecks and optimizing resource allocation often requires manual effort and juggling multiple sheets. Lack of granular time tracking. While users can log time against tasks, the granularity and features for detailed time tracking and analysis might not be sufficient for organizations that require precise time management for billing or performance evaluation.